Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, people. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Drop a subscribe right on the bottom if you're new. We almost get to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like, subscribe to the thing. Do I beg you? It's free, it's very free. Where do we begin, people? I know. Let's talk about the first games today because we're gonna talk about the meat of the matter in the afternoon game. So we're gonna talk about the first set of games, which was Morocco, Canada, Belgium and Croatia. Morocco go through first round, decent win, and Canada's game was relatively okay in terms of watching the game piece by piece. Morocco had two goals in it. They called it off our side. The game between Croatia and Belgium, though, that was definitively the worst performance I have seen by a striker in the second half. No, don't get me wrong. I don't like Kevin De Bruyne one bit. But that man put the ball on Lukaku head, chest, everywhere, and he couldn't score. In front I go less than 6 yards and the man couldn't score. 3 chances, 4 chances, 5 chances, and man couldn't score. Lukaku is shit. The whole of Belgium team is shit. The whole of Belgium, the golden ball team or the golden team, whatever it was in 2014, dead. Because 2022, 4 years on, and them still can't score for save their mom alive. So yeah, Belgium is out. Morocco and Croatia is in. Now to the next round. Next to the next round of games, the 2 o'clock games. Because I tell you. Germany is out. There's no question about that. Germany is out. Germany won 4-2, but because of the results, in the first round of games with Spain dropping 7 on Costa Rica, they couldn't come up with the feat that they couldn't come up with the result that Spain had. So obviously they finished the group stages on 4 points. Spain finished the group stages on 4 points. Costa Rica finished the group stages on 3 points. And the big team, Japan, who turn over Germany and who turn over Spain to 6 points. Let's talk about the Spain team. Because this is going to be a very short video, but I have to say this so that you guys can know that I have been saying this since day one. We have a little chat group, me and my friend them and Sib. I always talk about them. No, I never like Germany, but I definitely don't like Spain. So when Spain and Germany come together, I say, Spain are going to get beaten today because Germany got to turn them over. Germany didn't turn them over, but they got an equalizer later on. Kept on with the game. No, I think. No, when I said when Spain beat Costa Rica 7-0, everybody kept talking about, they're playing beautiful football. The tiki-taka football is back. They're playing Pedri. They're playing Gavi. They're playing Rodri. They're playing Paul Torres. They're playing everybody on the team. Everybody on the squad, come on. Everybody play good. That's what they keep saying. Where are they now, fam? You were supposed to win the group stages by 9 points. You have to fight to get through the group stages. Why? Because the football where you have a Barcelona, Pedri and Gavi is not compared to Spain team. Spanish team. A brother named Simeon or Simon or whatever I want to name where make the Spanish team over David De Gea. The man will keep giving away the ball every 5 minutes. When name Uno Simon or Uno Simon, I don't want him for Manchester United team. This man is and they will lose in the next round to Morocco. Will lose to Morocco without a doubt. If not the other round. Them gone, man. Them done. Spain team dead. Dead. I remember you guys talking about Argentina was going to drop out in the first round because they lost the first game. Finished 6 points above 6 points. Finishing 6 points. Everybody else look up away. What are you man saying? What are you man saying, fam? It's going to be a Argentina, Portugal final this year. Remember me tell you that. Write that down in your book. Either Argentina, Portugal, or Argentina or Brazil. But remember, Argentina will make the final this year. Remember me tell you that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there so if you know, because it's going to be a whole lot more drama. This World Cup is dramatic, completely dramatic. I love it. Love it. Best of yourself. Manaz.